The very nature of us constantly looking for deals as property investors, we have to make plenty of offers. And what making plenty of offers does is it makes a lot of work, because ultimately the more offers we make, the more we have to follow up. And in this video, I want to give you a quick tip in terms of making that process more efficient, but also putting yourself in a position where whoever it is that you deal with, they understand your process. Because the more quickly someone understands your process, the less likely you are to get into a negotiation, the less likely you're going to start getting led emotionally, and really the less likely that you're going to encourage the property owner to think that they're going to get some more money out of you. And of course, that's going to make the whole offer making process more efficient. It's going to get you deals done more quickly, and it's going to streamline your process so that you work smart and not hard. So the way that I've always done offers, and the way that I think is the most efficient, is to offer a 2-offer process. Now, the 2-offer process is very clear. You make your cheeky offer, which is if you get that, fantastic, but you can still go up a little bit more. And then your random number offer, which is ultimately your best and final offer, which is a really random number that makes it very clear to the property owner that you've eked out every last penny that you can. So for example, it might be a property that is worth £200,000. Your first offer might be £140,000, but and that gets rejected. So your second offer, which is your final offer, no negotiation, no going up in £100 increments. This is the absolute final offer you're prepared to make. Might be £167,480. Now, what that does to the vendor is it makes it clear to them in their own minds that you have eked out every penny that you can, and you make it very clear that there is no negotiation on that price. And you have to stick with that discipline. The minute that you increase, even incrementally, even by £100, the buyer psychology and the seller psychology changes, to which point the seller now thinks you're going to go up even more. And the minute that you have got that in the back of their minds, you're going to slow the process down, you're going to potentially get into a negotiation, and you're either going to lose the deal because they don't want to mess around, or you're going to go up to a point that you don't want to go up to. So really stick to the discipline of the 2-offer process. Your first offer, which is the cheeky offer, but if you get it, great. Don't be too cheeky that it just sounds silly. And make sure that that second offer that you make is a really random number. It's not crazily over the first offer, so you're not going from 100,000 to 160 odd thousand, because then that's just ludicrous, and you shouldn't really be going in at the £100,000 anyway. We're talking about that first offer being a realistic offer based on your due diligence, but still cheeky to think that they might not accept it. Your next offer has to go up, obviously. It has to go up by a chunk, but not too much that it sounds crazy, the difference between the two. And make sure that that second offer is a really random number, so that when the agent comes back to you or the vendor comes back to you and says, I'll take whatever it is, you're very clear, that's my best and final offer, I can't go any higher than that, the numbers don't work for me above that, that's where I'm sticking. Yes, you might lose some deals. You pop those into the follow-up and you wait for that property to either sell or become available again. Or you're just going to get that reputation where people know that's how you operate, they know that's your best and final, and you're going to get deals done more quickly. Either way, you're going to be working smarter, you're going to be working more efficiently, you're going to get more deals done, you're going to waste less time faffing around with multiple phone calls, negotiating backwards and forwards, and that's going to help your business grow moving forwards. Have a great day. Happy sourcing.